Running on a BS8. It's like peace.
Can't get any water out.
Now's your chance to get a decent upper
So here we are running some peat at Vincent Corporation. We had a customer send us a sample. The material's feeding in, but it bridges pretty well without any type of attention. The rest of it coming in. It comes in clumps. The roots hang and hold everything together, it seems like. Here we're dewatering with our 006 152 micron wedge wire screen, getting a good press slicker flow coming out of there. We have our press cake coming out. We're running at 40 psi to compare the 30 psi test from the other day. I'm not able to get out any free moisture. We've definitely compressed the material from what I have seen from the incoming buckets. And we'll make sure to get some moisture contents of each one of these streams to see how everything's separated.